Are you ready to practice some fractions with Mrs. Masco? Today we're going to quickly do this shark fraction page. It's an optional printable, or you can just follow along and shout it out to the computer if you want. So the directions say match the fraction on the fish with the picture on the shark. So I already pre-cut my fish out, and even if you don't have glue at home, you can just set them on top if you want, or again, just shout them out with Mrs. Masco. But before we start, I want to make sure we know how to say these fractions. So we're going to do I say, you say, 1/4, 3/4, 1/3, 1/2, 2/3, and 1/3. And the other way you could say this, we talked about it last week, that line, which sometimes they write it horizontal and sometimes they're writing it the way you see right now. It's kind of like saying out of. So our shaded, so I could say 1 out of 4 are shaded, 3 out of 4 are shaded, 1 out of 3 are shaded, 1 out of 2 are shaded, 2 out of 3 are shaded, and 1 out of 3 are shaded. Okay, let's look at the first one. So how many are shaded? Or shaded, another word for shaded is colored in. So how many are shaded? Let's count. 1, 2, 3 are shaded, but how many do you see all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 equal pieces. So 3 out of the 4 are shaded. Do you see it? 3 out of the 4 are shaded. Oh, I hope you picked this one. 3 out of 4 are shaded. So make sure you're not just telling me there's 3. It's 3 out of the 4 are shaded. Let's try the next one. So how many are shaded? 1. 1. So keep that in your head. But how many equal pieces are there all together? 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one shows that there's 1 shaded out of 4 equal pieces? Do you see it? Do you see it? Yes, there it is, Emily. 1 out of 4 are shaded. Good job. Let's try another one. How many are shaded? 1. How many pieces are all together? 1, 2. So 1 out of 2 are shaded. Who sees it? Who sees it? Does John see it? Let's see. 1 out of 2 are shaded, or 1/2. Okay, 3 more. Ready? How many pieces do you see shaded? 1. How many total pieces are there? 1, 2, 3. So 1 out of 3 are shaded. Which one is it? Which one is it? You're right, Jason. 1 out of 3 are shaded, or 1/3. Okay, 2 more. How many are shaded? 1. How many are there all together? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1 out of 3 are shaded. Which one is it? Which one is it? Oh, there it is. 1 out of 3 are shaded, or 1/3. Last one. Let's just check it. Don't assume. Okay, how many are shaded? 1, 2. How many are there all together? 1, 2, 3. 2 out of 3 are shaded, or you'd say it 2/3. Great work.